Okay, first of all, congratulations. You're not a jamoke. You're not a bum. If you're actually watching this video, good job. Okay, so number one, what did this all mean for the next page, which was getting the Banzif index and the Banzif powers figured out. First of all, here's the key, like what the coalitions are that are winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, because this adds up to, I think, 18, 19, 20, 21. Half of 21 is, I don't know, what is it, 10 and a half? I can't even do math right now. Brain's fried. So then you bump it up to 11, and then that's your quota for a simple majority. So now, these are the winning coalitions because they are 11 or higher. Now, what does that mean about your Banzif power? A and B are both critical voters because if they're removed from this coalition, I can't think of words, then that becomes a losing coalition. So they get a bunch of points. Same thing with A and C. If they're removed, this is now a losing coalition. So A and C get another one. So actually, all you have to do is count up the A's, how many times they're circled, and then I can explain on my key what these cross-off means. These cross-off thingamajobbers are. They're actually what I should do is say that these are, if they're removed, they lose, so the cross-offs are a Banzif point. Because look at this one. A, B, and C adds up to 18. If I remove A from this coalition, that's subtract 8 from this. That's 10. That's now a loser. So A gets a Banzif point. B and C don't matter because if I remove B, for instance, then A and C are together. A and C add up to 12. So that's what these all mean. These cross-offs mean when I remove them, they lose. That means they are critical. And every time they are critical, they get a Banzif point. So if you add these up, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I hope I did this right. I should have the key in front of me because I feel like I'm being rushed here. They have 10 Banzif points, or, Banzif power is what that's called. Then, let me double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, look at these. None of these are, let me finish, 9, 10. Okay. None of these are critical when I remove one of them, because even if I remove A, which is 8, 20 minus 8 is 12 still. So B, C, and D would still be a winner. So no Banzif points here. On this one, though, when I remove A, 17 minus 8 is 9. B, D, and E together would be a loser. So A gets a point for being a critical voter in all of these. So that's it. So A's done. B is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times a lady. And then C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then who's next? D. D, how many times are they? Isn't this a thrilling video? 1. 1? What a bum. And then E. Oh, this is going to be worse. 1? 1. 2? 2. That's crazy. 2. Was B only, or D only 1? I'm going to pause the video and double check my math. Never was good at that. I'm a maroon. D is 2. 1, 2. Okay. 19, 21, 22, 23. I did B wrong too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why I put a 3 there. 5 times it was critical. So guess what? 10, 15, plus 6, 21, 23, 25. I put 24 on our key from last year because I put 9 for A. But I'm going to redo A. 1, 2 times it's critical. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my key is wrong. Okay? That's not 25 factorial, by the way, which means 25 times 24 times 23. Never mind. Okay, so my key is wrong. All right, but regardless, we can learn from what I'm showing you here. So these are their Banzif powers. The total is 25 when you add these up. their BPIs are simply by taking their number divided by the total. So that's A. B would be 5 over 20, and then reduce. C would be 6 over 25, and so on and so on and so forth. So I just pulled up the key online. Lo and behold, I got 24 because I only got 9 times for A. That's wrong. Okay, it is actually 10. All right, then what I was going to do, but I promised that the video would be short. The reason I'm doing this, I saw a disaster just looking at first hour. Not good. All right, the answers weren't even close. This is how you calculate bonds of power and then the bonds of power index. Here's their individual powers. This is wrong. No, this is supposed to say 10. And then that makes the total of these 25. So all these should be over. Then you could divide them and get a percent. All right, so where am I at right now for the video? 556. So I was going to do that real quick in a smaller example. So let me go back to this. That was, and of course I can't scroll. Awesome. What? Oh my gosh. I hate school. All right. So then I was going to do this, but I guess I don't have the time. I really probably don't. So what would be winning coalitions? None of them individually. Let's do P1 and P2. Nah, I don't have the time. All right. Basically, I just wanted to cover this real quick.
So to recap, the way this was structured, we had to get 11 as a total here. Actually, 21 divided by 2, then this is a simple majority, getting 11 or more. Get the totals of these coalitions. A coalition can be someone by themselves. So these are more than 11 or equal to 11. And then a critical voter is if they're removed, this becomes a loser. So that's why A and B are critical. A and C are critical. Only A is critical here. If I remove B and C, then this A and B would still win, or A and C would still win. Only A is critical. B is critical in this one, because if I remove B, which is 6, 15 minus 6 is 9. So this would be a loser if B is taken out. So same thing with A. So you go through all these, and then you individually see if I take these individuals out, does this vote become less than 11? And in all of these cases, they do. So in all these cases, all these voters that I've crossed off are critical. It's like, I'm not crossing them off, I'm just saying that's the time that they're critical so I can count them up. Then when I'm done, I go and count how many times was A critical. I made a mistake on the original key. I apologize. And then after you get through how many times each voter is critical, the total is, how you determine the BPI. Then you take their individual critical times they're critical, which is called the bonds of power, and divide it by that total. Boy, I'm really screwing up right now. It's been a